The Blue Ice Report for Tuesday morning, January 31st. From the end of the fourth line of Innisfil, in front of Montmarina Marina, we see Love to Fish Simcoe's huts are not here. They've been moved. Jay's huts are still here on shore. From the second line of Innisfil, we see that Lucky and Son has his huts out, and Vito has Love to Fish Simcoe huts out at the second line. A quiet day, not too many people fishing today, Tuesday.
Yeah.
Hey guys, how you doing today?
Good.
How was the fishing?
Good.
Nice bucket full there.
Yeah.
Got your limit?
Yep.
All right, thanks a lot.
Yep.
There you go. Out fishing today, had a good time?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And you got your limit?
Yeah.
All right, thanks. Appreciate it, thanks. So, here it is, Tuesday afternoon. Had a good time?
Yes.
Lots of fish?
Yes. Yes.
Ah, good for you guys. Get your limit?
Absolutely. No, actually, we put back a lot. We only kept about 20.
You kept about 20, yeah? Okay. Good enough. Thanks a lot. All right, thanks for coming out to Guilford. Thanks.
So we gotta take the street.
Oh, there we go. There's a bucket full. You had a good time out with Terry?
Great time.
All right, thanks a lot.
Fishbone strikes again.
You got any big ones down there?
Yeah, there's a couple nice ones in there.
There's a real nice one. That's got to be,
Half?
Yeah, there you go. All right, thanks, guys.
Thank you.
All right, Michigan. Lansing, Michigan.
Well, he's over by Lansing, I'm over by Flint.
There's a 12 entry you got today. All right, you saw an eagle out there today.
Oh, yeah, that was neat.
Good golden eagle.
Yes.
All right, great. Thanks a lot.
Out there fishing.
So I heard you got the biggest fish.
Just a herring.
Just a herring. He got the bigger perch at 12 and 13 inches.
Yep.
And you got a herring bigger.
Yep.
All right, thanks a lot, guys.
There we go.
You too. Coming off the ice Tuesday night.